Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings to you wherever you are. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are. Yeah, so I come back to you again today with another trade breakdown. Yeah, it looks like this week gold has been very good to us. Has been very good to me, even though I wasn't able to catch the heavy downpour of gold in the last 2 days. But it's all good. I was able to catch the retracement back to uh, I was able to catch the last downtrend before the retracement, or before the trend changed into a bullish side of the market. So uh yesterday, let me just zoom in into the chart. So, yesterday, I remember mentioning that the market has traded all the way from this point to this point, and I wasn't involved. I heard the noises later on the internet about how people had cash out and made profits from the market. So I just came back and I realized what had gone on, and then I also uh, tried to catch an entry into the market. So I caught an entry here. Let me just get the short two. I got an entry right here uh, with my stops. My stops below somewhere here. I just can't be specific, but I got my entry here all the way to this side of the market. Yeah, I think that should be it. It was close to a 4 hour. I can't remember, but this was it. So it looks like, I mean, I had a very good entry and a very good exit point, because immediately I exited from the market. Then that was when the market started reversing. So uh, after I've seen that the market was trying to reverse from, or turn from the bearish side to a bullish side, I picked my tool and then I marked up this point. I marked up this point to say that if a candle, or if there is a breakout from this zone, then it would actually, per my strategy, confirm that there is going to be a bullish there's actually going to be a bullish trend confirmation. So because we already know that the market was in a bearish trend, I picked up I marked up this level on my chart and labeled it as trend confirmation. So per my strategy, if I have a candle break through this current or this zone, or this level that I have marked, then it means that truly the market is going to be in a bullish trend. So I woke up to see that there there has been multiple breaks uh, above the level that I marked as trend confirmation. So that actually gives me a confirmation that I need to look for buys. And so uh, what next? Price was already up there going. I had to wait for a pullback. I had to wait for a pullback. So I waited for a pullback, and then I had to mark up this zone as a level where I would be interested in to take a buy. And let me tell you this. It is said that good trades are, how do they say it? It is said that good trades are the most difficult trades. I won't lie you. I won't lie to you. This trade almost gave me a panic attack because it nearly smashed my SL. It nearly smashed my SL. But I also know that according to the strategy or my strategy, uh, it should reverse. But I nearly actually closed out. But I still said, okay, well, let me just see what it does. If it hits SL, fine. If it doesn't smash the SL, cool. We'll still be in the trade because I knew that the trend has to reverse into a bullish trend. So I had to hold it. You can see how far the pullback came before before reversing into my favor. So you see a break of this level, which I have labeled as a trend confirmation, going up here, and then me waiting for a pullback, tapping into my zone, nearly hitting my TP, and then before the reversal of the market. And you won't believe it. Look at the bullish momentum that the market had to push up from. It's so amazing. This is a 1 hour candle. This is a 1 hour candle. But after the candle reversed, after the trend reversed, the 15-minute candle nearly overtook the 1 hour candle. If we could, let me just go into the 15 minutes so you can see. You see? So we have one, two, three, four, making up a 1 hour candle. But look at this 15-minute candle. You see? That tells you how bullish the market is. So that was also another confirmation for me to hold on to the trade. So that is it. We are currently in this trade, and everything looks good. Everything looks good. My plan is to take my take TP from this zone that I have marked here, because I see that there can or there might be a potential reversal from this level that I also have marked here. So I have set an alert there to see what happens when the market gets to that level. And then, as usual, I will be reactive to what the market presents. No predictions at all, just being reactive to what the market presents to us. But uh, uh, I see that this bullish trend is really going to hold, or yeah, it's really going to hold, because when I check from the 4 hour, I see a lot of potential to the upside. But you can't really predict, so we still maintain our composure and then react to what the market will also present to us. So that is the breakdown that I have for you today. uh, I am in this gold trade. If you are not in the trade yet, what you have to do is to wait for the market to take. Basically, if the market had to reverse, then it means that I would be taken out of position before I would want to join again, because this level is actually a magnetic zone that market could come into before reversing back into a bullish trend. So that is a breakdown that I wanted to share with you today. Yeah. So as usual, this is just me documenting my trades, and keeping records of whatever I'm doing. And this is no way a financial advice or whatever you may term it, but I am just documenting my journey. And having some sort of data to actually refer to, even though I still have a journaling tool that journals the trade for me, but just trying to also get a video proof of what actually happened during the trade. So thank you very much for making time to listen, for making time to watch the video. Please like, subscribe, and then comment your ideas, your thoughts in the comment section, and let's have this going. So, thank you so much. I am still going to hold on this trade to see what the outcome will be, because if if I should predict, me being a swing trader, this market will or might, if it doesn't reverse from this first zone that I have marked at 4 4610.35, if it doesn't reverse from 4610.35, then this is the nearest possible point that the market is going to reverse from. So we'll be on the lookout to see what actually happens, and then we will react to it accordingly. Yeah. So uh this is it. So sorry about that. Yeah. So this is it. We are currently in this trade. Yeah, currently in this trade, trying to see what benefits we can reap from here. Thank you very much. And again, like, subscribe, and comment. I'll be back again to to share another trade insight with you. And I actually shared a snippet of this trade via post on the channel. Uh, Earlier when I was waiting, I sent a post via the I sent a post on YouTube whilst I had the buy limit set, and I was waiting for the position to be triggered. Let me see if I can get that and share with you. Okay, yeah. So this is the post that I made earlier. I don't know, this post thing has to get a way that we can enlarge and view, but uh, I think it doesn't really give that zoom in effect so you can actually view. But you can see that I have this is what I said, or this is the caption that I attached to the image. I said buy limit set, let's see if I can make some bread. Entry at 4552.61. So this was when I was waiting for the trade. You could see that at this point the trade wasn't triggered yet. So if we go back to confirm the entry point, you could see, let me just open this. So you could see that this is at 552.61, and that was when we got the the entry triggered, almost trying to hit our SL before reversing in our favor. So no fluff, no fugazi. I'll be sharing my honest trade and uh, my honest trades. I mean, both wins and losses here. I think the only loss that I have taken this week should be for USD JPY. I also shared it somewhere here. Where is it? Yeah, I think here's it. So few ticks. I think this was when I was about to be knocked off the I was about to be knocked off the trade. So this is my caption. I said few ticks away from getting knocked off this USD JPY trade. And then I shared the entry, the SL, and the TP as well. So I think I left a comment here. What SL smashed. SL smashed, meaning that I've been taken out of the trade. I've been knocked off. So uh, I'm not doing this to impress anyone. I'm just sharing my my own trades. If it hits SL, if it hits TP, I will share. I mean, provided there is time, I will share. And then I mean, just keep progress on the journey. Yeah. So thank you so much for making time again. We'll be back to share another trade if we get it. But I think this catch is a banger. This catch on the buys is a banger because it started. I caught it straight from the start of the trend, and I think that deserves some accolades. Though I am not I am not really proud of my entry because mostly my entry are mostly sniper entries, sniper entries. So this trade pulling back all the way to this zone really was headache for me because that is not what I am used to. That is not what I am used to. So if you can actually check, you could see this post things. This post feature has to get a zoom in effect because sometimes the images are very tiny. But I mean, you can check for yourself to see the kind of entries I have been taking on the channel. Look at this. Look at this, for instance. I was triggered on this second candle, after this bearish candle closure. So uh, that is it as well. And then also with this USD JPY trade, I was I was triggered in the trade via this candle. So mostly my entries are a wick in and then a fly off. So that was why this trade actually was a bit of a headache for me. These are weekly. These are my weekly breakdowns. So that is why we are not actually looking at it. I'm trying to get another entry for you. Look at this entry here. Sniper entry. No lies. Sniper entries. Look at this trade, for instance. Sniper entry. So this this gold trade actually gave me a bit of a headache while I was trying to go in my favor. So thank you so much. We'll be back again to share the outcome of this particular trade, if if it's successful or not. Yeah. So thank you. God bless you, and have a good week. Bye.